Earlier this year, we replaced an older pontoon after several of the vinyl seats cracked or split, allowing them to absorb moisture. Replacing the seats, we learned, would cost several $1,000s, so we decided to replace the boat and commit to making vinyl maintenance a high priority. Yamaclean offers a product simply called vinyl dressing. It sells for under $15 most places and comes in a convenient spray bottle. Vinyl dressing restores and protects vinyl, plastics, and leather products like seats and dashboards on boats. When dry, it leaves a transparent gloss coating that helps repel moisture like rain and dew. It also provides UV protection to help prevent drying and cracking, which destroyed the seats in our first pontoon. Even with Yamaclean vinyl dressing, it's a good idea to cover your boat when not in use to keep it clean and protected from the elements. But wiping down your seats and dash a few times a season is always a good idea. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.